welcome to join me, sir. Today I'm going to take my Hummer car wash. We're going to give a quick wash. I'm going to wash my H2 Hummer and I'm at the car wash, and this is really quick and easy. It's very easy and very quick and very fast. We're going to pay up here and then we're going to take this one into the car wash.
Can I get good?
The good wash?
Yeah, there you go. Thank you.
Quick quack wipe, and this is the car wash. We're going to use it today. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're going to go into the Lucky Duck Shield Clean Shine Seal. The important thing is put it in the neutral and no brakes, and it's gonna start. And our H2 Hummer going to have a cleaner look. Ooh, look at this on the top. Look at that at the top. All the nice lighting in the front, on the sides. We have the soap all over the Hummer, and now it's going to be the water. All the cleaning has been done. Now it's going to be the wax. So it's going to start waxing. It's spraying. Look at the top. Oh, nice. Now the cleaning process is gonna take place. Ooh, nice and clean wash. It looks really nice and clean. So clear, real fast. That's on the back. We almost done, and it's going to say thanks for coming, and you can see the light up there. It say wait. Once we're going to see the go, then we're going to. Now it says that the light is blinking, go, we are all done. Look at, now we're going to put into gear. And that's all. And that's it. So now we came out of the car wash and we're going to take it to the vacuum cleaner. These are big vacuum cleaners. So we're going to park right here. So this is a dash wipe, and this is how you keep your Hummer clean and shiny every day. This is a really high powered suction vacuum. You clean it. So this is how I keep my Hummer clean and shining every day. And if you're looking for more H2 Hummer videos, please subscribe. And I'm going to see you soon with another video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.